The student. Are you a student? Yes, I am a student. Where do you study? I study in the school. Who is he? He is my teacher. Where does he teach? He teaches in our school. How is your teacher? My teacher is a kind person. How is your school? My school is big and famous. Does the teacher like you? Yes, my teacher likes me. Why does teacher like you? Because I am a hard-working student. Does the teacher like a lazy student? No, the teacher does not like a lazy student. Do you respect your teacher? Yes, I respect my teacher. What do you learn? I learn Arabic books. Do you read English books? Yes, I also read English books.